All right, there are a lot of mistakes we may be making when you're cleaning, especially now about this time when a lot of spring cleaning plans. It's a way to refresh our home, and many people make these mistakes. For example, not having a plan starting without a strategy can leave tasks half finished. Cleaning from top to bottom is in the wrong order. You always want to clean from the top to the bottom and dust before vacuuming. Otherwise, you'll just push dirt into freshly cleaned surfaces. So bottom to top, top to bottom, you want to start at the top, work down. Ignoring high touch areas like light switches, doorknobs, remote controls, handles, they all collect tons of germs and are often skipped. Using the wrong cleaning products can be a problem. Not all surfaces can handle the same cleaners. For example, vinegar is great for many things, but can damage natural stone like granite and marble. Forgetting to clean your cleaning tools like dirty mops, vacuums, sponges, and spread the grime rather than removing it. Decluttering without a system, for example, throwing everything into a pile without sorting, can make decluttering overwhelming. Use the keep, donate, and toss method. A pile of keep, a pile of donate, and a pile of toss. Don't let the cleaners sit too long. Many disinfectants need a few minutes to work. Spraying and immediately wiping the stuff off doesn't allow them to kill germs properly. Read the directions. Overloading the washing machine, I'm guilty of that. Stuffing too many items in it can reduce its efficiency. Skipping the mattress and the pillows, you need to clean those, believe it or not. Mattresses collect dust mites and bacteria. Vacuum them, wash pillows regularly to keep your bed fresh. Also, forgetting about air vents and filters. Clean those. I just cleaned my HVAC vent filter just the other night. Also, cleaning windows on a sunny day. Sunlight causes window cleaners to dry too fast, leaving streaks, so do it on a cloudy day. Using too much water on wood floors can be a real problem because it's going to soak into the wood and create a bigger problem. And not maintaining the cleanliness on a regular basis is not just a spring cleaning time. We should be doing that all year long. So hopefully that helps you with some idea, some things that hopefully can help you in the spring cleaning mode.